Do you ever scroll through Pinterest or watch home tours and wonder how some homes look so high-end and luxurious, even if they're not huge mansions? The truth is, making your home look expensive doesn't always mean spending a fortune. It's about smart choices, little upgrades, and styling tricks that give your space a polished, designer feel. In today's video, I'll share some practical and budget-friendly tips to instantly elevate your home's look. Whether you live in a small apartment or a family house, declutter and simplify. Luxury homes always feel spacious and clean because there's no visual chaos. Start by removing unnecessary items, organizing surfaces, and keeping decor minimal yet intentional. A clutter-free space instantly feels more high-end. Upgrade your lighting. Lighting sets the mood and adds sophistication. Swap out basic ceiling lights for statement pendants, chandeliers, or modern lamps. Layer your lighting, use a mix of overhead, floor, and table lamps. Warm-toned bulbs also add a cozy, expensive glow. Invest in quality fabrics. Even on a budget, choosing the right fabrics makes a big difference. Think linen curtains, velvet cushions, faux fur throws, or textured rugs. These details add depth and richness that elevate any room. Add large-scale art. Big statement artwork always looks expensive. Instead of cluttering walls with lots of small frames, go for one oversized piece. If buying art is costly, you can DIY a canvas with abstract paint or print a high-resolution photo. Play with neutrals and contrast. Neutral tones like beige, white, and gray exude elegance. Pair them with bold accents like black or gold decor for a luxurious contrast. A cohesive color palette makes everything look more intentional and upscale. Upgrade hardware and fixtures. Simple swaps like changing cabinet handles, doorknobs, or faucets can make your home look modern and stylish. Choose finishes like brushed gold, matte black, or polished chrome for that luxe touch. Use mirrors strategically. Mirrors reflect light, make spaces feel larger, and add sophistication. A floor-length mirror, mirrored furniture, or even a gallery of sleek frames can create that expensive vibe. Fresh flowers and greenery. Adding plants or fresh flowers brings life and elegance to your home. A simple vase of white lily, roses, or eucalyptus looks timeless and classy without costing much. Pay attention to details. Luxury is in the details, neatly arranged books on a coffee table, trays to organize candles and decor, or chic storage baskets. Small finishing touches instantly polish your home. And that's it simple. Budget-friendly tricks to make your home look more expensive without draining your wallet. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home and design ideas, and share this video with someone who loves decorating. Let me know in the comments which of these tips will you try first in your home.